Hello, this is Load with another edition of Black Bear Dog Trading. Today is Friday, and that means that today is admin day. At least for me, it is. Based on the way that I do my trading, I do not trade on a Friday unless I am absolutely certain that I can close my position profitable before the closing bell. And being that I'm on the West Coast, that means around 2:30 in the afternoon, Forex shuts down on me, and I don't want to get caught in a position that now I have to wait until Monday before I can react to it. Should something happen over the weekend that could adversely affect the position that I'm in. So, main reason why I don't trade Fridays and why I do my admin work. Now, my admin work is also based on that I preserve my profits at all cost. I don't trade to create a larger trading balance so that with minimal risk being 0.5% or 1%, that I can still manage to trade a little bit of a bigger lot size and possibly earn more profits. I don't operate that way. I trade to make money, and all the profits I earn, all of it is mine. I mean, it to me, it doesn't make any sense that when I go and now include my profits into my account balance, and now a portion of that profit is recalculated in the lot size, and every time I have a losing trade, I am basically losing a portion of my profits. I mean, it's the same as you have a 9 to 5 job, and let's just say, hypothetically, for argument's sake, that you're getting paid every day $100. But before you walk out the front door of the company, the boss calls you in and now starts to say, oh, yeah, you owe me because you used my pen. You owe me, you used my paper. You owe me because you used my chair. I mean, I'm being ridiculous here, but in the end, you get instead of $100, you get, I don't know, $70. It doesn't make sense. That's not how it should be. You worked for X dollars, and that X dollars is yours, agreed upon, end of conversation. And I see trading the same way. Profit I earn is mine to keep, and losses I have get subtracted from my actual trading account. I do not run a simple plus minus tally like what the brokers do right here. I don't do that. So, in order to be able to do that efficiently, I have a few tools that I use, but these tools, again, as I said in prior videos, were developed strictly by me, for me. So while I know how to use them, they aren't exactly user friendly. So I made a few updates to the bots, so that to the bot, so that you can do this directly from your chart if you follow the same trading philosophy as I do, and you don't have to worry about going and using this and using that and going here in the terminal window and now select a custom period from beginning of the week right here to the end of the week. You don't have to do and then go and then afterwards go back and do a custom report. You don't have to do any of that. It's all done basically semi-automatically, and I've incorporated it in the bot, making it a little bit user-friendly for you. We start by clicking on the A or admin button. A stands for administration. Click on it and you get a short but detailed report that tells you exactly what you did for this week. Remember, this admin is week by week, Sunday through Saturday. Now, granted, Friday afternoon and Saturday all day is no trading, but that's the time frame I take to make no mistakes, week by week. Then there are two numbers that I'm in. I use the total trading numbers, but actual figures. I'm only interested in two numbers: the profits I earned and how much I lost. I take the entire profit amount and deduct that from my account balance. And I also deduct the losses from my actual startup balance. Then I go back to my bot and I update my balance. So come Monday, I'm automatically starting at the new balance, whatever amount that is. Now, if I find that my balance is getting a little bit quote unquote too low and I want to add some money to it, that is entirely my prerogative. It shouldn't be the brokers saying, well, no, this is what you earned because we automatically deduct your losses and we automatically included your profits, and this is where we're at. And your balance, instead of what you calculate, is let me move myself out of the way right here, is $9,137, not $8,513. And we calculate lot sizes on this amount, not on your amount. And I don't trade that way. Period. I'll never put my profits at risk. So getting back to where I am, I run my little admin report by clicking the A for admin button. That pops it up. To make that report disappear, simply click the A again. There you go. It's that easy, that fast. Then I have a spreadsheet, and here it is. And the spreadsheet goes by week. If you don't know exactly what week we are on, I have a little tool that I use, and I'll make sure I'll give you that resource as well, weekly number, and it tells you right here what week you're on. It couldn't be any easier if you're doubting what week you're on. So we're on week 8. I enter that I have 16 total trades. Of those 16, I have 13 wins. And now automatically the number of total losses is calculated. And obviously that has to match because you cannot have more trades over than your total trades when you have already X number in wins. So in this box, I now enter what my profit is, 1007.6, what did I say, 67, okay? And in this box, I now enter what my loss are, 383.74, and I have like a confirmation thing here just to make sure I enter the numbers correctly. 623.93 matches what the broker has, 623.93. So then the computer will automatically calculate for me what my new starting balance is right here. And my balance at this point now is $8,129.70. And by the way, when you fill out the figures and you're done, make sure you click on the save button so that you save this. Otherwise, all the information you enter is for naught. Also, do not use this spreadsheet with Google Sheets for reasons I don't know. Google has wants to take out all the formulas that are put in here, basically rendering this useless. Now, real quickly, still about the spreadsheet, the colors, light blue or whatever color that is here, means I'm positive. Red means I'm negative. High blue means the result, the color will change here too if I have an actual complete loss for the week. And then this is my total gain. If there were fees, I add those. Although they are now incorporated here, doesn't really matter. Anyhow, and then this is what my balance is that I will start with on Monday. So now I take this amount, $8,129.70, and I enter it here to update. Last week I was at $8,513 with my starting balance. Next week my new starting balance will be $8,129.70. So I enter that right here in this little field, 8,129.70. I then click on update, and here we go. It got updated, 8,129.70, and automatically every chart that has the bot on it will also be updated. So you only have to do this once. There is no multiple times needed. So once entered, This is now the running total of my account balance that my bot will keep track of. And based on that amount, it will now calculate the new lot size. I forgot to point out before I started, my lot size was actually 170. Originally at 8,513, you can go back in the video and verify that. Now it went down to 1.55. So I trade a bit of a smaller lot size, which is fine. And no problem with that because my risk is substantial right here at 20% versus what normal retail traders use 0.5, 1%, 2%. So this is how I do my admin. Please review that video a few times. It's not complicated. It may sound that way, but it isn't. And once you start using this for yourself, you really start to see the benefits from it. As I said in the very start of this journey here, I give you all my tools for free. I don't ask you for anything in return, and the same applies here. The updated bot, there is a link for that below. The spreadsheet that I use with the admin, there's a link for that below. And as well as the resource to find out what week of the year we are on, there's also a link for that below, free of charge. That is it for now. I wish you all a wonderful weekend. Whatever you're up to, please stay safe. And as always, God bless.